Hello, my name is Slippery Slope. I have a PhD in household appliances. Many families believe that we should buy new appliances and get rid of perfectly usable and functional older models. 583 million appliances were shipped all over the world in 2013. This pollution is harming the planet and is using an unnecessary use of energy. On top of that, creating an excess waste for the planet. It is estimated that by 2017 we will be throwing away 60 million tons. The US is the second largest producer of waste in the world. The people in the UK are throwing out roughly 1.1 billions worth of usable goods instead of spending extra money in order to buy environmentally friendly. Now, wait until your current appliance dies and you can splurge a little and for an even nicer machine.